What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the all-new Presidio Clear Case Print Edition for the upcoming iPhone 10. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So this case is for my lovely lady viewers out there who are looking for a fashionable case to add to your upcoming iPhone 10 that you may be picking up. And it's pretty much identical to the original Presidio clear case I reviewed not that long ago, except it does feature a graphical design imprinted on the back here. In this case here, it's a floral design with gold stems and pink roses. And for those of you worried about the picture coming off, it is imprinted on the inside here, not on the outside, so you don't have to worry about it wearing out. Anyways, let's grab my replica iPhone 10 here to demonstrate this case. We'll go button side first, and it just pops into place. So taking a quick overview of this case, just like the original Presidio clear case, you have an excellent amount of top protection, covers for your volume rockers, as well as your power button on the side here, cutout for the vibrate ringer switch, 3 cutouts for the stereo speakers, mic, and lightning port. But we will focus on the back here, which is the most highlighted feature of this case, and that is the clear back and graphical design. Now, one cool added effect of this graphical design is that because it's a clear case, it actually produces shadows right behind the picture, which gives it kind of like a 3D effect. And coupled with a clear style case, it makes the picture really pop out. Overall guys, the first impressions on this case is pretty positive. I like the combination between a picture and clear case, as it adds a nice subtle effect to it, but it isn't anything too flashy. Just like the original Presidio clear case, it doesn't watermark on the back side here, so it doesn't take away from the picture. And as I mentioned earlier, the picture is printed on the inside part of the case, so you don't have to worry about it wearing out. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, as I mentioned with pretty much all clear cases, it would probably scratch up a little bit easier than a standard solid colored case. In conclusion guys, if you're looking for a fashionable case for your iPhone 10, or if you're looking for a gift for a girlfriend or wife, this is definitely a pretty good choice with the Presidio Clear print case. Anyways, thanks for watching guys, hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments about this case, ask away in the comment section down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.